Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Are you looking to learn how to change your cPanel username and password? You're in the right place. Maintaining the security of your website is crucial, and one important aspect of that is regularly updating your cPanel login credentials. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to change your cPanel username and password effortlessly. First, let's quickly understand what cPanel is. cPanel is a popular web hosting control panel that provides a user-friendly interface for managing various aspects of a website, like email accounts, domains, databases, and file management. It makes server management tasks easier, even for those without advanced technical knowledge. Why change your cPanel username and password? It's super important to keep your website safe, and updating your login details regularly is a big part of that. Here are a few reasons why you might want to change your cPanel credentials. First is for security reasons. Regularly changing your credentials helps prevent unauthorized access. Second is if you suspect breach. If you notice any suspicious activity, changing your login details can help secure your account. Third is for compliance purposes. Some organizations require regular password updates for security compliance. Before you start, make sure to 1. Back up your data. Ensure you have a secure copy of your website's data, including files, databases, and email accounts. 2. Check your permissions. Verify that you have the necessary permissions to change the credentials. Let's now look at the step-by-step guide to changing your cPanel password. 1. Log into cPanel. Use your current credentials to access your cPanel dashboard. 2. Navigate to Preferences. Find the Preferences section, usually located in the left-hand menu. 3. Select Password and Security. Click on this option. 4. Enter your current password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. 5. Enter and confirm your new password. Provide your new password and confirm it. 6. Save changes. Click the Change Password or Save Changes button. Here are a few password best practices to keep your passwords in check. First, use a strong, unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Second, consider using a password manager. Third, avoid reusing passwords across different accounts. Fourth, use a password manager or another secure method to store your password. Fifth, update your password regularly. Next up is changing your cPanel username. Changing the cPanel username is trickier than password and can affect file permissions, database connections, and email setups. It's usually best to avoid this unless necessary. If you must change it, follow these steps. Access your web hosting account. Log into your web hosting provider's dashboard. Navigate to Account Settings. Find where you manage your cPanel account. Locate the cPanel account. Find the specific account to update. Follow your host's instructions. Each host has its process, so follow their steps carefully. Update everything. Ensure all scripts, applications, and databases that use the old username are updated. Changing your cPanel username can cause downtime or disrupt your website's functionality. Plan carefully and execute the change to minimize negative effects. Update dependencies like email accounts and databases to avoid issues. For troubleshooting, if you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password feature from your web host. If you are locked out, contact your web host support team for assistance. If you encounter any error messages, check your host's documentation or contact support for help. I hope this guide made it easy for you to change your cPanel username and password, ensuring your hosting account stays secure. Keep your credentials updated regularly to protect your website and online presence. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, ciao!